Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make transparent text in Canva. If you haven't already, please give the video a like and subscribe, as this really helps me out. So creating transparent text is useful to help it to blend into backgrounds. It's also useful for things like watermarks. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I've got this image here. I'm going to click on text and I'm going to add some text to the image. Just going to make it a little bit bigger, move it to the top. I will make it a bit bigger just so we can see it. Going to change the font and write something. Make it a little bit bigger. So we've got this text here. Going to make sure it's in the center. Now, if I want to make it a bit more transparent so it blends a bit more with the image, I'm going to click onto it. You know you've selected it when you get the border around the text. Then we're going to click onto the transparency tab, which is sort of like a little checkered board at the top. So by clicking on that, this will pop up and I can increase the transparency and make the text a little more opaque. So as I do that, you can see it blends a little bit more into the image. It just depends how much you want the text to show. So have a play around with it, and when you're happy, you can move the text around still. You can add more text. And I just want to show you like watermarks as well. So if you're using something, maybe you want to say that the image is like a sample. So say that text was black, and then we want to make it a little bit smaller, but it still shows up quite a lot. So you can make that a little bit more transparent so it blends, so it doesn't take away from the image too much. So that's it. That's how to create transparent text in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.